Hello and welcome to Alice Blue's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn how to check the holdings and positions via the Ant web trading platform. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to the Ant web application. Click on the portfolio section in the top right corner. Here, you can find the positions and holdings linked to your Demat account. The position section is important if you're doing intraday trading, futures, options, commodities, or currency. For example, if you buy Nifty futures in the morning and haven't sold it yet, then it will show up here with the MTM or the mark-to-market P&L. Subsections include net, days, realized and unrealized P&L. Net P&L is your overall profit or loss across all positions. Days P&L is the profit or loss made only today. Realized P&L is the profit or loss from positions you have already closed. And unrealized P&L is the profit or loss from positions you're still holding. Beneath this, we have this filter row which helps you filter by market type, such as equity, FNO, MCX, currency, etc. The next row helps you filter by instrument type inside derivatives, such as calls, puts, and futures. Now let's move on to the holding section. This is for the stocks you currently own in your Demat account. Here, you can see the stock name, the quantity of shares you hold, the average price you bought them at, the current market price, and its current value. Current value is calculated by multiplying the quantity by the last traded price. Day P&L shows profit or loss for today's price movement, while net P&L shows the total profit or loss since you bought the stock. Day change percentage and net change percentage highlight the movement for the day and overall. These details help you track your investments clearly. For example, here I bought one share of IDFC First Bank at 66 rupees. The current market price is 70 rupees. So my net P&L is 70 minus 66, which is around 3 rupees. Hence, the net profit becomes approximately 5%. For today, the stock fell slightly. So my today's P&L is shown negative 0.7 rupees. Which represents the intraday movement. Now, as an investor, you will be mostly using the stocks view, and when selling, you may need to use authorize. Authorization is required to approve selling of shares if DDPI is not given. The rest, like MTF, DDPI, or pledge, are mainly for margin or leverage users. With that, we reach the end of this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.